Hi everybody, welcome back to Glitterati Glamour. If you don't know me, my name is Kaylin. Hi, how are you? So today I did a light glam. I'll take off my glasses. Just like a cute little pink moment from the Conspiracy palette, which is fitting because if you can tell from this title, I finally got my mystery box and I'm so excited. It is the Supreme Winter Mystery Box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I wanted to dive right into it. There is no BSing today. We are just going for it, which is what you all deserve. You're gonna see all genuine reactions because I haven't seen anything. I really hope I don't get any doubles of anything, but like it's fine. Okay, so here it is. It's all wrapped in blue tissue paper, which is like super cute. Oh, nice! Okay, so the first thing is this makeup case, which I was actually looking at getting one of these, so I'm so excited and happy I didn't. It's huge! Look at, oh, this is such a cute one too. Let's open her up so you can see. Like, hi, that can fit all of my palettes. Thank you, as it should. I'm also filming this at 11:30 p.m. just so you guys know. So there's that. I'm getting sneak peeks of things. Sorry. Okay. And this hoodie is the other thing I got, which I already love. I love colorful things. Me says that. It wears black every single day. I got it in a large because I like oversized things. Oh my god, cute! Okay, so it has the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo and his like little signature. And then down the arms, it has this like cute little like candy cane almost moment, which like you wouldn't really see or like wouldn't really get. Oh, I love it! Oh, I love it. I would change, but I'm not wearing anything underneath this one, so not gonna change. But I love this. I'm so excited. Oh, it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics down this arm. This is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to literally live in that, so that's iconic. I'm so excited. I'm already, Magic Star Translucent Setting Powder, very cute. I already have this, but you can never run out. Let me open her up. How do I open it? This is what it looks like. It's the normal formula, or like the original formula. Super cute. There's some more stuff. I guess I should pull out the Big Daddy. This is insane. Love me not. There are 8 shades in here, and it is Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. Maybe we should swatch them. Let's swatch them. Doll Parts is this first. Oh, it was open. That's fine. Like, how cute. I love it. These are all, I mean, okay, so here's my thing, right? I always think that I'm like, oh my god, I have too many pinks, I have too many reds, like I want a nude. But like these, I mean, that's very pink, but these also kind of look like nude enough that like if you have like a bright eye, you could probably wear these. This is Calabasas. Like, cute. I love. I am actually living for these so much. This is Wifey. I love it. Sorry, I looked in the monitor. That's my bad. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's cute. My favorite red from Jeffree Star Cosmetics is Are You Filming from the Conspiracy palette. And like, or Conspiracy collection, I guess I should say. This is Watermelon Soda. Sorry, I'm trying to talk and swatch at the same time. Oh, that's my new favorite. That Watermelon Soda will be my shade all of spring, all of summer, fall, winter, doesn't matter. I love it. I literally am in love with it. Anna Nicole, isn't this like a nice like orangey red? Hang on. Oh yeah. If you knew me in middle school, you didn't. But if you did, I wore like a bright orange shade on my lips every day with like a blue. Listen, I was a makeup artist before I was a makeup artist, okay? This is prom night. I mean, come on. Like, you guys probably can't even see. Like, I'll post a swatch photo too. I'll post it like the day after this video comes out, so like that gives you time to follow me, which you should. So follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked in the bio too. This is Red Rum, which is actually stunning, and Unicorn Blood. I guess I should have been like shaking these the whole time, but like, oh, that's cute. Sorry, it's like a darker color. This packaging is super cute and I really like love it. I don't know like any other way to say it, but I literally love it so much. I have my Jeffree Star Cosmetics like X Sheen Dawson like pig head collection one. You know, you guys know the one I'm talking about. Like, you are not here if you don't know the one I'm talking about. Just gonna put it out there. Okay, the next, ooh, what is this? Is the cutest thing ever. It's like a single ornament. That's cute. And it's like the pink soft touch one. Let's open her up. This is so sweet. I love it. It will be going on my tree that will be taken down this week. If you come for me that my tree is still up, you're lucky that you don't have any decorations in your view. Oh, cute, a lip scrub, strawberry. Okay, I was gonna order one because I have the sherbet one from my one of my other mystery boxes, and I love it. I love these lip scrubs. Let's open her up and see how she smells. Oh, yum! Oh, I love. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so much. Sorry, I just realized. Okay, so this is super cute. I love it. We're kind of like going through a couple little motions. This next one is the lip gloss Corner's Kiss from the Cremated collection. I can tell that. I don't remember what this one looks like though. Oh, this is pretty. Oh my god, this over top of Weirdo, iconic. Jeffree always comes in with the components, so this is what it is. Very cute. It is like a gray, like silver shade. Very wearable. Should I put it on? I mean, maybe not over a nude. Oh, okay, maybe here. There's the gloss swatch. Can you see it? Love. Also, me trying to like wipe these off. Don't come for me. It's fine. I love it. Super cute. We only have 3 things left, and I gotta say, in the past I've been kind of like bummed with the mystery boxes because I got like the summer 2019 or 2018 one or something, and it was like okay, you know what I mean? Like, it wasn't like, no, it had to be 2018. I don't know, but it was like, oh, you know, like it was like, okay, it's cute, whatever. But like this is like a lot and it's like really cute. Like before I got like, oh, and the other one I got was the Valentine's one, and it was cute. I got my mirror in it and it was like super sweet. But like, I don't know, I was like, oh, okay. But like, this is sick. Like all of these, I mean, obviously you pay the money to get this, which, I mean, it was 170 American dollars. I'm from Canada, if you don't know. So 170 American is 216 plus the taxes, and then I had to pay duties, which was $32 on top of all of that. So it was about $240 for this, which, like, if I am paying $240 for a box of random stuff, I better be getting my money's worth. Thank you. So I'm pretty happy with this stuff. Like, honestly, it's super cute. We're on the last 3 products. I already can see them and I already know what they are, but I'm like leaving you in suspense, even though I'm literally the last person to do this because I literally just got it today, January 11th. It's fine though. So let's keep going then. Okay. It's like this was meant to be my box. This is the Skin Frost, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost. And, oh my god, tell me it's broken. Oh my god, no. Literally go home. No. Oh. I have to email them. It was a Skin Frost in the shade Sarcophagus, which is my shade. I have to, oh crap. Okay, well, I just sent an email to Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so I'm hoping they get back to me. I don't know what to do with this. I'm so sad because that's literally the only shade I ever use. Okay, it's going everywhere. My fingers, I look like I am gold member. Next is the palette, which is very indiscreet, but we're gonna keep rolling with it. And I'm very excited because it is obviously, if you couldn't tell, I'm not opening it properly, the cremated palette. Yay! I'm actually super excited because I want to do some more like monochromatic looks, and like, you know, there's only so many black shades and different palettes that can be different. But look at her. Oh, it's pretty. I will not be swatching all of this, but oh, okay. This is cute. At least this didn't smash. But like, oh my god, Angel of Death and Pallbearer and Diamond Ashes. Look at, like, it literally doesn't read well on, well, not well, it reads great on camera, not as well as it looks though. Like, these are stunning. This with the Orgy palette, which I have, is just gonna be a dream team. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I think we should do a look with this. I'm also gonna continue, side note, I'm gonna do a look of all of the like makeup stuff I got for Christmas. So like, watch out for that series. It'll probably be mainly on my Instagram. So like, make sure you follow me there if you want some more content just for like the last time. Like, it's super cute. Anyways, so we are at the end. Really disappointed with my smashed Skin Frost, but it's fine. I also have it all over my phone now. Like, hi, I'm sorry, I want it on my cheekbones, thank you. So the last thing, I think I can tell what it is. Hopefully this isn't smashed too. Oh, this is so depressing, my smashed sarcophagus on there. But this is a mirror. I'm super excited. I don't know what one it is. Obviously it's from the Orgy collection, but like, I kind of don't remember the mirrors that came out with that. Hack. Just use a knife for everything. Okay. Ready? Oh, iridescent pink? Okay, I read the label when I was opening it, like, sue me, okay? But this is so pretty! Like, look it's super pretty. It also doesn't read the color that it is, but like, it's super cute. It's almost like a rose gold. I love it. Now I have two. I have the white one that you see in all my videos. Now we can switch it up. Look at us go. We can be two different people. I'm so excited. Hopefully Jeffree Star Cosmetics gets back to me about my smashed product, but it's fine. Hopefully. Anyways, but thank you guys for watching. Welcome to Glitterati Glamour 2021. Like, let's go off this season. Let's go off this year. Let's go off for the next 10 years because we are not here for any of what 2020 brought, so like let's just bypass that and go on to the new. I'm really excited for this year. I have lots of big plans and very little time to execute them. I'm gonna do a small spiel here. I am in school right now, so I have very little time to sit down and record a video. That is why I am recording a video at 11:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is too late, thank you. But, and I probably won't have time until April, so like let's kill this. But I hope we are all thriving. Let me know in the comments below how you are, what your 2021 goals are. Mine are to find time for you guys. I want to shoot more videos. I have so many ideas and plans, and I want to execute them if I have time, which I will. I'll always make time for you. So I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to be here again soon.